Hello, today I'm here at Shinjuku Station to check out the 3D cat that everyone was talking about online. So one thing I've been wondering though is how the cat looks like from different angles. So let's go check that out and see what it's like. Oh wow, there's a lot of people here as expected of Shinjuku. Oh look, there's the cat. So the first thing I've noticed is the cat's not actually on the whole time, and it's only actually on for a couple seconds at a time, and then it disappears. And so while the cat's not on, in between they just show tons of different types of advertisements. And so if you're an advertiser, it's actually a great time to show your ads because everyone's watching the screen attentively, waiting for the cat to come on again. All right, now walked over to the back side of the billboard, and so waiting for the cat to show up again, and we'll see what it looks like from this angle. My expectation from this angle is it's gonna look pretty boring because it's kind of a flat screen right now. The part that kind of gives the cat the 3D feel is the curvature of the screen, which you can see from the main angle when you're coming from the station. But from here, all we get is a flat screen, so let's see what that looks like. All right, and time to check it out from this angle as well. So my expectation from this angle is at least the front half of the cat will look 3D, but the back will look kind of flat, since at least we can see the curvature on this side of the screen. And that's it for the 3D cat here in Shinjuku. One last thing to point out, the cat comes on by my estimation about once every 3 minutes or so. So if you get here and the cat's not around, just wait a little bit and then it'll appear.